Hey guys, so let's talk about the 11/11 Global Day Sale. What is it about? Check this video out. Hi everyone, so this is Germo. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and smash that bell. We're closing into that 50,000 mark. Thank you so much to everyone who has joined us so far. So please subscribe, please subscribe. Hey guys, so let's talk about the 11/11 sale. For those who don't know what it is, I'm gonna explain it in a bit. But for those who know what it is, and you are married, and you have a wife who loves to shop online, it's one of the most feared days for married people, especially if their wife loves to shop online. So what is the 11/11 sale? Basically, this started in China, where Alibaba created a 24-hour sale where they slashed prices massively. So after they did it, it's not just anymore in China, but it now has springboarded and it has now spread across Southeast Asia as well. It's also in the Philippines, where you see a lot of brands, we see a lot of online shopping sites from Lazada and Shopee give out 24-hour massive day sales as well for Filipinos who want to shop and spend a lot of items online. Now, here's the thing, e-commerce has boomed so much in the Philippines over the past few years. If you think that Filipinos just want to spend in malls, going to retail establishments, let me show you some data, some facts on how Filipinos spend their time online, but not just spend their time online, how they transact and how buying patterns have changed over the years. And here's the thing, I think this is just about to grow. This is just about to get bigger as more and more Filipinos have access to faster internet, and more Filipinos will have mobile devices that will allow them to transact and buy online. So check out these details. So just some quick stats on how Filipinos have spent online via e-commerce. You'll be surprised on how much Filipinos spend and how it has started to grow, given that there's more access to internet now and everyone has. You're seeing more and more people have smartphones. Then again, this is still smaller than what other countries have. E-commerce spending in US, China, Japan, Germany is much larger than the Philippines, but I just want to show you details of it. Total revenue in terms of e-commerce spending for 2019 was around 48.6 billion pesos already. This is across the board, from fashion, toys, games, dining, food, booking for travel, hotels, etc. It's a total of 48.6 billion pesos. That revenue is expected to grow by 10.4% each year, as you expect usage and capacity of more and more Filipinos transacting online to continue to increase. As of 2019, you have around 48.7 million users. That's a user penetration rate of 45.1%. However, as compared to other countries, the average revenue per user is only 1,000 pesos. So there's a lot of people going online, but the average spend is not as high as other countries. But as you see the increase of e-wallets, credit cards, and more people having access to debit and credit cards, you can expect this trend to continue to go higher and payment via COD to decrease in years to come. The thing about that though, and what I want to encourage you on, is this. A lot of people will spend massively during the 11/11 sale. A lot of the people you know will spend their hard-earned cash, their bonuses, their 13th month pay on the 11/11 sale. What I want to submit to you is this, and the whole goal of this channel is to empower you, not just for you to spend money, but for you to have the ability to live life at your own terms, to make your money work hard for you and to make it grow. How does it work? For 11/11, instead of just looking for deals that will allow you to shop and spend money, why not shift it? Look for deals that will allow you to what? Invest your money and make it work hard for you. Why am I saying this? I want to share with you Etoro's 11/11 promo. If you are not yet invested in Etoro, you don't have an account yet, or if you already have an account, this is applicable to you. So what does this mean and what does this do? You will get bonuses from November 1 to November 30, depending on the amount that's there. Let me show you more details from the slides that I want to show you. So guys, I placed the link on the description and also on the comment, or if you haven't seen the link yet, just comment Etoro and I'll send you the link on how you can go to this page. So repeat, please comment Etoro so I can send you the link on how you can join this page. So basically, this is the page where you're supposed to be directed so you get eligible to join the 11-11 promo of Etoro. So this basically means when you invest, Etoro will pay you double the 11 edition and you will get rewards worth up to 1,000 US dollars. So very, very important for you to know is basically this: the promos until November 1 to 30, and Etoro will look at the accumulated deposits that you have for the month of November 2019. So you get more mechanics on what's happening to the Etoro 11-11 edition. Look at this. So what does this mean? If you deposit $1,000, you get a reward of $60 accumulated throughout the month. So the more dollars you deposit, the larger the reward that you get. So meaning if you deposit $5,000, you get a $200 reward. You deposit $10,000, you get a $500 reward. You deposit $20,000, you get a $1,000 reward. So how do you get to participate? So you just have to complete these 3 steps in order for you to be able to be part of the promo. The promo period is from November 1 to November 30, and your cash reward will be credited to your Etoro account within 30 days after the campaign ends. So basically, you just have to deposit your account, you just have to fund your account, you just have to open a trade, and you just have to register for the campaign. Similar to what I showed you a while ago, you just have to click the join now portion as well. So what's interesting is if you're in the Philippines, you're from the Philippines, this promo will apply to you as well. So I reiterate, the way for you to get the bonus is really based on the amount that you deposit. The more you deposit accumulated within the month, you get a reward based on the amount that you deposited as well. So it's as straightforward as that. It's as easy as that as well. To be part of the promo, you just have to click the button that says join now. After clicking the button join now, you would be prompted to this screen where you could put your email. For example, Marvin Germo at yahoo.com, then my Etoro username, sample, then your phone number plus 6391781, etc. Then you just have to press join now and then you're done. If you don't have an Etoro account, please make sure to sign up first. I have another video on that will teach you on how you can open. But it's that simple, it's that basic on how you can actually be part and make extra money during the 11-11 sale. So what's very, very important for you to know is to click the link so that you get activated and you get to be part of the promo and you get to be part of the incentives that you will get on top of the money that you are invested in. As long as you follow the rules and the guidelines for this promo, you will be able to join and participate and make extra money from the bonuses that Etoro is making. So for me, what are you waiting for? Instead of using your 13th month pay, instead of using your bonuses as an area for you to spend, my encouragement, why not save it? Why not invest it? Why not give it a chance for you to make money? For those who don't know what Etoro is, I made several videos about it already in the past. But for you to know what it is, it's just a platform that allows you to invest in US markets, to also buy crypto, to also buy Forex, which is under the underlying CFD platform that they have as well. So, use this 11-11 season, not just to spend money, but use it as a way for you to be able to invest, use it as a way for you to be able to lift yourself further financially. And that's what I want. I really want more and more Filipinos to take advantage of the extra income that they have by not just spending it on sales, but also taking advantage of promos where they could actually make their money work hard for them. So this is Marvin Germo. I'm still here in Singapore. I hope this video pushes you, nudges you to invest massively. Trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.